found my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily.
You're two-time and cheap lying wannabe. You're a fool if you thought that I'd just let this go. I say red, red, oh red.
4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked.
Ciao, filho.
Você é o
Grinch!
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the rein. All I want for Christmas is you.
Soulja Boy tough.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. When I saw you there.
Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Candy cane, bring the friendly sunny day. Bring the friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. It's Christmas Eve, all who believe Santa is here, but once a year, all girls and boys dream of new toys. Soundly they sleep, wishes to keep. Jing, jingling, come hear us sing.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power. We were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy.
And never those who's inviting me down there on such short notice. Even if I wanted to go, my schedule wouldn't allow it. 4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 4:30, stare into the abyss. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
All right. You're a reindeer. Here's your motivation. Your name is Rudolph. You're a freak with a red nose and nobody likes you. Then one day, Santa picks you and you save Christmas. Now forget that part. We'll improvise. Just keep it kind of loosey-goosey. You hate Christmas. You're gonna steal it. Saving Christmas was a lousy ending. Way too commercial. Action! Brilliant! You reject your own nose because it represents the glitter.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort.
Olaf, did Elsa build you?
Yeah, why?
Do you know where she is?
Yeah, why?
Do you think you could show us the way?
Yeah, why?
How does this work?
Ow!
Stop it, Sven. Try and focus here. Yeah, why?
I'll tell you why. We need Elsa to bring back summer.
Summer? Oh, I don't know why, but I've always loved the idea of summer and sun and all things hot.
Really?
Make the scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Quick jump out for you, let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I run down on them before I have a nigga running me. Talk your shit, bite your lip, ask for a call while you ride that.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away?
I came in with my gun, it's a homie.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a...
I did not go to law school to become a vigilante.
Who's gonna protect the world if not people like you?
All right, let's do this.
My home for all seasons, so come on, let's go. Open door zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me.
Finally, they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. But wow, am I so ready for this change? 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light.
Never thought she would get somebody I know. I guess that's just how it.
Mr. Grinch, my name is Cindy Lou Who. Mr. Grinch came to invite you to be holiday cheermeister.
That's a good one.
I said he's a scumbag, don't you know?
I'm Mr. Green Christmas, I'm Mr. Sun.
A lot of these little bitches cool, but they be weak as fuck. Time to sweep it up, neat as fuck. My way, or the highway.
Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin.
So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for.
You can't ignore us. This is where the cool kids rule.